Assalamualaikum students, welcome to Phonics Academia online class grade 7 subject maths. So students, now open your book page number 14 in which you have question unit number 1 set and exercise number 1. We have to do question number 7 with your book, open your notebook also. So student, question number 7 is if u is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 continue and add. If a continue number that means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are also be present to be here, that's a maybe they said that continually last digit it's mean by all numbers that we are between there it's also be a present. A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8 and D is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Students, in this exercise you will find a union. You also be there what is a union. Then the intersection you also be know what is the intersection. If you go through question number 5, 6. You have to do union and intersection. Today one thing is to be a new what is meant by universal circle. Three things you have to do in this question. What is the union, what is the intersection, what is the universal circle. So student you know that what is meant by union. Union is a set which we arrange the two or more set the according to your sequence. When you find an intersection you take a common between two sets. And when you find an intersection, when you find an intersection between that, you take a common. And when you find a universal set, it stands for slash. When we any alphabet have with this slash, it's made by a universal. This sign show you universal. When you find a universal of any alphabet, any set, u minus with alphabet. When you have, for example, you have a universal, you find a universal with the help of u minus a. So student, let's start our question and today lecture. Okay, class question number 2, question number 7 part 2. B union C. You know that what is meant by union to arrange your order sequentially. But you students look at the B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and C is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. So student look out this sign. This sign is stand for union. It means that arrange the all orders sequentially. So according to this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You not be happy with any alphabet number, any alphabet. You arrange the all orders sequentially. Okay student. Then the question number 3 C union D. The value of C is 5, 6, 7, 8 and D is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Union means arrange all the orders sequentially 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay student, don't miss any numbers. You only arrange the all orders sequentially. Then question number 7 part 6 C intersection D. So student, you know that what is mean by intersection. Intersection mean to take a common on both set or between two sets. आपने क्या करना है दो सेट्स में से कॉमन लेना है. तो फॉर एग्जांपल C is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8 and D is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. तो intersection mean take a common between them. Take a common between them. So student take a 6 and 8 is a common on both sides. So 6 and 8 is the intersection of C and D. Be remember the intersection mean take a common in two sets. That's the number is the common is 6 and 8. It's a 6 and 8. So the 6 and 8 is called the intersection of C and D. So student, coming to the question number 7, A universal. This is a new thing for you. Student, this sign is mean by this sign is a this sign is mean by universal. A universal. When you find any universal of any set, you have be u minus that set. आपने क्या करना तो u में से सेट को माइनस करना होता है वो आपको यूनिवर्सल आ जाता है. A universal is equal to u minus a. The value of u is 0, 1, 2, continue and last digit 8. So it's mean that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And a is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. When you minus this value from u, so the answer is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The left member you are be right. You have be minus this member from the u and other members you have be right in this bracket. It's called a universal. Be remember that when you find a universal of any set, you have be minus which set? U minus other set that we find the universal of other set. Okay, question number 7 part 9 C universal. When you have been out at how you find a universal, u minus c, you have to must be minus by u. आपने किसी भी वैल्यू को किससे करना है, u से माइनस करना है. u minus c, u equal to 0 1 2 3 4 continue and 8, c equal to 5 6 7 8. So student, according to this you have subtract this member from this and the left member is 0 1 2 3 4. It's c universal. So student, you have to revise what is mean by intersection, what is mean by union, what is mean by universal. So student, complete your homework, do your class, learn your lesson. Thank you. Allah.